Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard's YT channel. So today's small video is on your number of attempts and what can be a good attempt strategy for your upcoming RRB PO mains exam. Now that you have got the admit cards, one probable, of course, important question that comes to your mind could be what should I keep as sequence of sections and what should be the time that I should give to each particular section, right? So that I can attempt maximum number of questions, and that strategy is important when you say that there is no fixed sequence in RRB PO exam. You should have your own strategy, and probably you should do your mocks also, which you are practicing on based on the same strategy which you are going to use in the real exam. So small discussion on that with all of you. Here, if you see, this is 2 hours composite time given to you in this paper, RRB mains exam. Also, the sequence is not fixed, right? If you know this, the sequence is not fixed. So, any of the sections you can select. I think you have the same thing in the mocks also, you would have noticed it, right? So what will be the best approach? What will be the best strategy if I talk about which sections to pick up first? Now you have 2 hours composite time and you have how many sections? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sections. So how best to utilize this time, and also make sure that you don't give too much time to a particular section, right? You have to manage, very important, time management, right? You have to manage your time efficiently so you can attempt maximum and right do best in all the sections, right? So what could be a proper time allotment and sequence? How will you select? So I'll give you one, of course. Now this is what I will suggest you, but you all have given mocks. You have your own personal strategy which you can follow. But what is the usual? What is a smart way? I'll discuss with you. So if I take first 50 minutes of your exam time, first 50 minutes, right? I think in these 50 minutes, you should cover the following. Usually, if like as a student, if you want, you can first cover general awareness questions, because here you will not do any guesswork. If you know the answer, you can quickly mark. I don't think it will take more than 15 to 20 minutes of your time, right? So 15 minutes, if I look general awareness, we can start with it, because here you don't have to solve anything. If you know the answer, you'll mark, read, mark, read, mark, right? This is what you do, right? Now see here, 40 questions, 40 marks. So for 40 questions, if you are taking 15 minutes, good enough, right? You will not get stuck on a question, but this is what I mean to say, right? You won't stop. If you don't know, you'll probably go ahead with the next question, right? Okay. Next, what you can pick up is computer awareness. Same case with computer awareness. Okay. How many questions? You can see here. You will get 40 questions, but half a mark for each, which is 20 marks. So you can't give a lot of time to the computer. You probably are doing a lot of practice sets of computers, right? Like your MCQs based on computer. So probably 10 minutes. Why would you give more than that? Okay, I know questions are a lot, but yeah, only 20 marks. Okay, which is given to this. So again, you can take in this range 10 to 15 minutes if you are taking time to read. Also, maximum 15 minutes, I would say. Okay. Next, you can go for English section. I would personally suggest do not keep English for the end. So yeah, here you get 25 minutes. So this 25 plus, of course, 25 makes it 50. So first 50 minutes gone. Okay. Now you have 1 hour 10 minutes. I think that will be sufficient for reasoning and quant. Reasoning and quant. Now here it requires time. These are time consuming sections, because see, you have to solve, you have to check reasoning, particularly puzzles, DI, okay, all of that part. So you have 1 hour 10 minutes, and this you can divide between these two sections. Accordingly, you select. If you're good at reasoning, do that first. If you're good at quant, start with quant and then next reasoning. So this according to your strong point you select, right? English, why I've kept in the first 50 minutes, one reason is also that there will be many questions which are not so time consuming, right? Error spotting, or you can say talk about arrangement, single sentence arrangement can be asked, right? Sometimes closed tests are not very lengthy. Okay, so all these question types, I don't think you require more than 25 minutes. If you utilize these 25 minutes, if you have practiced enough, you have got the speed, okay, reading speed and attempting speed, then you can manage, right? So this is I would say a sample. I would say this is my suggestion how you can allot your time, and of course sequence, and but you can have your own, of course, strategy. And this is just one sample, because some of you were confused, you asked me on Telegram groups also. So this is one good strategy, one smart strategy, I would say. But you're free to, of course, like I'm saying, you can have your own personal strategy, right? So this is what usually is what people follow, and I would say smart students follow. So in the comments you can talk about your strategy also. Tell me what according to you will be a good sequence, and of course how much time for each section, right? You should always plan this ahead, and you should give your mocks also using the same strategy. Okay, so practice your mocks also using the same strategy what you're going to follow in the real exam, right? That is the best way. Clear? Right. So the whole purpose was to give you an idea, and guys, you're free to follow your own strategy as well. So in the comments, I would love to know what have you decided. Also, yeah, all the best for your preparation. Remaining days, practice a lot. Focus on your mocks and previous memory-based papers, right? ठीक है, now please do subscribe, like and share. Do subscribe to Oliveboard YouTube platform so that you get the updates on all the upcoming classes, important classes, right? Thank you.